Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jamie. It is Monday. I think it's the 5th. I'm not sure. I think it's December 5th. But I had another video I've been working on for a week. Man, that editing stuff for me, I enjoy it, but it takes a long time to post stuff. So, again, they're just ideas, trading ideas or investing ideas. I'm going to post right here to my left something I shot with my mobile phone that I can post up here. Hopefully it's big enough to see, of a couple trades I'm going to be involved in this week. And I hope it helps, just to get for perspective. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Here we go. So here's something to consider. Pre-market, I'm down almost $1,400. 1,400. Ouch. Okay, you can see that big drop, and this is Robinhood. You can trade with whatever platform. You can see that drop there. From what's been going on the past month, I've been making a comeback, right? But today the pre-market down 1,300. Why does that not concern me too much? Well, I expect, from the information I've been able to gather, that Tesla most likely, even though it may rally higher, I don't know how high it will go, if it'll go to 200, 210, 220. I mean, there's no telling, but we base this stuff on probabilities. If you're trading, swing trading, day trading, which I'm not a day trader, but or if you're holding options and shares, I'll hold some shares, sometimes a little bit, sometimes a lot. You can say I have 200 shares right now of Tesla, 100 of Volta, only because I'm curious. And down here, I saw an opportunity in this RXDX, which I don't know much about the company. I just saw it had a massive drop. And, this is a good example where I'm going to get back to this Tesla thing. But, I'm up $350 on 100 shares only because I saw this chart, and it doesn't always work out this way, but I saw this this big drop, right? Went down to $30, and I didn't get in that low, but I got in there in the 30s, and I figured, hey, the upside is, maybe it pops back up to retest these 45 area, but I don't care as long as it doesn't go too low. But I also took those 100 shares that I'm up $350 on, and I sold a call, and the premium paid me $1,000. Yeah, $1,000. Yeah, for a couple weeks, 12/16. So no matter what it does, I'm going to keep that $1,080. And right now it's down $245. Oops, what happened? There we go. $245, but I'm up $350, so I'm still up $100. But that's because of the premium. You know what I mean? Like, the price is gone. The price has gone higher. When it closed, if you wanted to buy into this company, right? If you wanted to buy some of these shares or sell a call, it's more expensive. So if I bought it back, I'd still make $100, but I don't want to buy it back. I want to wait and see how it plays out over the next 2 weeks. See if I keep that 1,000. Because for me, the name of the game is, to keep moving forward in this account. And my buying power here constantly changes, but I just try to keep flipping the shares, flipping the contracts, making that pail of buying power bigger. So I'm going to go back to this. So, look, now it's $12.54. So as Tesla's price goes down, I was looking earlier today, and Tesla over here, get this thing, pre-market at one point was minus 4.8 I don't know, 4.6%, which is a lot. And, right now it's 188. So when I zoom in here and I do my little trends, let me go to the 30-minute chart. You could see a drop pre-market. We're in this pre-market area here. That's all pre-market area, like that. Well, after hours. I'm sorry. If I'm going to do this, let me do this right. So this is after hours, and this is the pre-market area, right? That shaded spot. So it came all the way down so far to 184, and now it's recovered a little bit. But when 9:30 rolls around and those options are tradable, I will hope that these two options, the 190 and the 200, one is a few months out. That's in February. The other one is, the end of the month. This should be green, right? There should be some money in those. And I don't know what the percentage will be. Like right now, pre-market, it says I'm up 11%. Now that isn't accurate because that was when it closed. It doesn't update until the market reopens. So I might be up, 15%. I might be up 20%. Whatever it is, I'm gonna most likely, of the $750, if I'm at 20, 30% of that, 40% of that, I'm not waiting till the end of the month. I'm just gonna lock it in and get back in it. That's most likely what I'll do. Same thing with this Tesla $200 call. Now the thing is, I don't know how high Tesla will go in the intermediate time, daily, the daily price action over the next month or two. I do believe it's going to pull back lower, not because I'm an expert and I know. I'm just saying that from the due diligence, the information that I am looking at, it seems like when you look further out, I'm not trying to show any technical analysis here, but that's that weekly chart. And you can look at all the charts in the world from guys that are far more experienced and seasoned than I am. I'm basically just looking at what they're looking at and saying, they're like, hey, do you see it? Do you see the trend line there? The channel? I'm like, yeah, I see it. You saw it bounced up and then it came back down and it bounced up and then it came back down and it bounced up, right? It's still in that downtrend. So if that's the case, if that is the case, then if it doesn't get above this area, right, and bounce off that trend line, then there's a good chance that it heads back down lower. You know what I mean? Sub 160, sub 140. Who knows? 120 to 160. To me, that is fantastic long term, because if I can add more shares in my other account as well as, get these shares lower, I'm great at buying 300, 400, 500 shares here and trading those because I don't trade the other ones. So, but that's Tesla. I mean, I like Tesla because the premiums are pretty good. So you can make 100, 200, or 500 to a 750. At least that's what I've been doing per contract every 2 or 3 days. That's how it's been going. So, I mean, the downside is you are going to see this can get scary, right? Because whether you're using all your money, not all your money, like using your money that you've allocated towards trading, or you're actually using margin as well, just understand that this sometimes for me, this says -3, -5, -$7,000. But I just don't really think too much about it because it always goes up at some point over weeks, days and weeks, depending on what that fluctuation is in the price. And of course, what my average share price is. I'm at 187 as I do this. I was talking to a buddy at work the other day who has a lot of XRP, and we were talking about price predictions of XRP and stuff we heard, and hard wallets and trust wallets and all that kind of stuff. So what I said is, in the one that I trade, I want to have these core shares. I had some guy had posted that. I like that saying. But whether I have 100 or 300, that's kind of what I've been trading with. I'd like to keep averaging this cost down lower and lower as I add and even flip those shares. If I can get to one 180, or 170. Now, depending on how low it goes, I mean, that if you're at 180 and it's at 120, then you're pretty far apart. But that's the way I look at it. So do your own thing, of course, not financial advice, as they say. But okay, that's what I got going on this morning. That's what I'm trading. I'll see you guys next time.